Para kanino ba ang associate program? You can apply to this program if you are a high school or senior high school graduate who have never enrolled in college, or you passed the DepEd's Alternative Learning System Accreditation and Equivalency Test for secondary level, yung ALS, or you are a transferee with college units. So for the first two qualifications that I've mentioned, you will have to take an admission exam called Undergraduate Assessment Test, which is administered by UPOU. Now, for the third qualification, who are considered a transferee? You are a transferee if you are a current or former student of another UP campus, or you're a graduate of a 2-year diploma, certificate, associate, or technical and vocational program, or you're a former college, diploma, certificate, associate, or technical and vocation student who stopped schooling as long as kung galing ka sa another UP campus, you have taken 30 units and your general weighted average is at least 2.5. Or kung galing ka sa ibang college or university, you completed 33 units and your general weighted average is at least